Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Jrooupmy brand, their small folding pocket knife. It's stainless steel heat treated blade. It's got a carved metal steel head. It's just under 4 inches long when it's open, and it's got a 2-inch blade. It'll fit easily on your keychain. This is the nice little box that came in, little fancy box, and they had a little protection on there of this material. So here's an extreme close-up of it in the studio right here so you can see what it looks like. And it's obviously opened up. Let's go over some of the specs. And here it is, a stainless steel sharpened blade. It's about 2 inches, as I mentioned. Overall length is about 4 inches. Has a nice keychain holder on there. And it has these really shiny buffed acrylic sides with the two little rivets on there which are embedded in the acrylic. Has a little cast pattern that's fancy on both sides. That looks really nice. It has a nice feel to it. It's really smooth, and it does close real easily, just like that. And to open it, it has a little slot right there for your nail, allow you to easily open it up. So this is a very lightweight, practical folding knife. And a lot of times, you're in your car, you want to open something and you don't have any knife or anything sharp. This is perfect because it's not long and it's easy to carry on your keychain, and you're going to be able to open up anything up. This is great for outdoor people because it's very sharp and has long-term use without becoming dull. It's not going to rust out on you. And as I mentioned, it's very ergonomic, the design of it. And this will make a good gift for somebody who's an outdoorsman. And it's not expensive at all for the materials that are on here. It seems to be a really good value. Now you can use this while you're fishing, to cut a fishing line, hiking, camping, and a bicycle trip, mountain climbing. They have high quality control, this company, and they have high quality control, this company. And it's evident in here that this seems to be really nicely built, very, very strong. The tongue right here, you can see all the layers of metal right there. So this is in there extremely rigid. And when you go to move this, it moves really smoothly, closing it just like that. So here is some really durable nylon, 3/8 of an inch diameter. Let's just see how it does with that. And it went through it really easily. Here's some 25-pound fishing line. Let's see how it does with that. Very easy. Went right through it. So here's a piece of wood. This is a hardwood. Let's just see how it does it. I'm just going to slice this at all. And look at that. Just easily goes right through it. Very nice. So after testing the Jrooupmy brand, their small folding pocket knife, what's my overall opinion about it? I like this product. It's really nice looking, has a really good feel to it. The material quality seems to be really good. It's very sharp, as I demonstrated. Very inexpensive. The mechanism is very easy to use. It looks really nice. The pattern on there, the smoothness, you can tell they really buffed this out. And I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icons to alert you to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. Hope the information I presented helped you with all your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.